Hi, my name is Damon and my partner's name is Danielle, and our innovation is called the reward system.
You may be wondering what the rewater system is. Well, basically, it's an attachment that you can add to your fish tank to automatically clean and drain it.
How does our system work? Well, first, all you have to do is move the fish into a different water source so it doesn't get harmed.
Then you have to drain the water. In the actual model, you would end up using a drain pump, but for our purposes, we decided to siphon out the water.
After you drain the water, cleaning robot will start move around and clean the sides of the fish tank.
Once it's done that, you can refill the tank with water and then put the fish back into the fish tank.
The problem we're trying to solve is a system people don't have to put much effort into cleaning their fish tank when they could just be doing other things.
The reasons our fish tank stands out over other fish tanks is because most other fish tanks are just square or rectangular glass or acrylic boxes with a few other things. And ours stands out because we are providing more and easier ways to clean and drain it.
If we were to make the system with an actual materials, we would price it at $34.99.
The reason we would be pricing it at that is because we did a survey and most people said that the price should be between $30 and $40.
Since we're talking about surveys, 50% of the people we have served had fish in their life, and 90% of those people didn't like cleaning their fish tank.
This information was not a surprise to us considering the fact that fish aren't very expensive or very difficult to maintain, other than the fact of cleaning the fish tank every so often.
For our prototype, we used a container, wooden blocks, sponge, siphoning, pump, hot glue, and water.
Throughout the process of developing our science fair, we changed our ideas quite a bit.
We start off by having two-chambered fish tanks so the fish can swim between the chambers when they don't need to be cleaned. But when it does need to be cleaned, the fish will get trapped in one of some to the other sides, but that idea got scratched.
Then we started brainstorming again and came up with our current idea. Yes, our idea may not be the best shown in prototype form, but if it was ever to be made, it would become more realistic.
Something that we didn't change for all of our ideas about the shape, size of the fish tank, and how much water will be held in the tank.
Now we will show our prototype working, or well, how it would work if it was the real thing.
So this is our prototype beside me. How it works is you would remove the fish from the fish tank, then drain the water first by siphoning, as Danielle will show now.
Now we'll be siphoning up the water into the fish tank. As you can see, it's draining out here. After the water is out of the tank, the robot will turn on and go around and clean the tank. In this case, Damon will just move the sponge around the tank to resemble the robot being cleaned.
After that, you will refill the tank with water and put the fish back into the tank.
That's the process that our system goes through.
Thank you for listening to our project.
Have a nice day.